Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, we're addressing a question I get asked all the time: when should you take profits on Bitcoin? My answer might surprise you: it's never. Stick around and I'll explain why Bitcoin isn't just an investment, but it's the strongest form of money ever created. The strong versus weak currency dilemma. Let's break it down. Bitcoin isn't a speculative asset, it's a deflationary currency. Its value increases over time because of its fixed supply and growing adoption. Now compare that to fiat currency like the US dollar or the Argentinian peso. Both are inflationary, but the peso is far weaker than the dollar. Imagine you're holding dollars. Would you ever exchange them for pesos to take your profits? Of course not. So why would I exchange Bitcoin, the strongest currency in existence, for dollars, a currency that is guaranteed to lose value over time? It doesn't make sense. Why Bitcoin is money, not just an investment. Bitcoin's beauty lies in its ability to preserve your purchasing power. Historically, the dollar has lost over 90% of its purchasing power in the last century. Decades ago, you could buy a Big Mac for $1.50. Today, that same $1.50 will barely get you a pack of gum. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has gone from being worth nothing to being able to buy you a house with just 4 Bitcoin today. Bitcoin isn't just money for the future, it's the strongest form of money right now. The future of spending Bitcoin. As Bitcoin adoption continues, more opportunities will emerge to spend Bitcoin directly on goods and services. From paying rent to buying groceries, Bitcoin's usability is only growing. So instead of taking profits in dollars, I plan to use my Bitcoin to buy what I need in the future. Why? Because Bitcoin will become the global standard, and spending it on things of value makes more sense than trading it for a depreciating currency. Changing your mindset. The key is to shift your perspective. Stop thinking of Bitcoin as a get-rich-quick investment. Instead, see it as better, fairer money. When you adopt this mindset, the idea of taking profits becomes irrelevant. Why would you cash out of something that preserves your time and energy and wealth better than anything else? The bottom line is, I will never exchange my strong currency, Bitcoin, for a weaker one, but I will use it one day when the time is right to buy things that matter to me. If you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey, join my Patreon, the link is below. For just the price of a coffee per month, get access to a community of Bitcoin savers and the best resources to help you get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's wondering when to take profits on their Bitcoin. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.